Hey y'all, Chris Keith here. I just wanted to show you how beautiful and majestic living out here in the foothills of the Appalachians actually is. I mean, it is so nice. You know, we don't live in these campers, by the way, either. We used to, but no. So nice out here. So nice. Reminds me kind of like Kentucky. Yeah. Right now it's snowing, and literally the snow is just falling straight down. Humongous snowflakes. And I mean, these things are every bit about that big around. So, yeah, it's lovely living out here. It's quiet, it's peaceful. No neighbors, no noise. Just you and God and nature. Thanks for watching.